do you want? Bark, 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 bark. What do you want? Yeah? Alright, I'll get you. What do you want? Come on, let's go get the other ones. Yeah, I know what you want. Come on. Come on. This is my naughty chicken. Come on, let's go. Who gets out? I think the other ones sent her on a mission. Good morning, girls. Yeah. Come on out. And there they go. Come on, girls. That translates to, can I have a treat? There they go. Come on, Anna, waddle your way. Come on. Okay. Now watch this. I know. Watch this. They want a treat. Not kidding. I'm ridiculous. I know, girl. Guys, out of the house. Come on. Out of the house. Here. Food. Food. Come here. Come here. Oh, somebody get it. Yep. Okay. Daddy, stop.